afternoon. Welcome back to Gardening at Home with Liz. Today we're going to talk about insect repellent. So if you're anything like me, you get eaten alive by mosquitoes in the summertime. So here are some tips to reduce mosquitoes in and around your house, and also how to make your own organic insect repellent. So for planting in your yard, you want to use basil and marigolds because they are both toxic to mosquito larvae. So basil is specifically toxic to mosquito larvae. Marigold has a chemical naturally occurring in it called pyrethrum, which is toxic to most insects. So planting both of these on your patio or having house plants of them or planting them around your backyard will just help reduce flies, insects, mosquitoes in general. Now, to make the repellent, what we essentially need to do is extract the essential oils out of the herb. So here are my herbs here that I have, and I'm gonna go through them with you and show you which ones are which. So the most commonly known deterrent for mosquitoes is citronella. Citronella works very well, but there is actually something that works better, and it's catnip. Now I know this might come as a surprise, but catnip has a chemical compound that naturally occurs inside of it called neptylactone. So neptylactone is a chemical that has been proven to deter mosquitoes 10 times stronger than DEET. So DEET is like the most commonly used insect repellent. It's a really, really bad chemical. It's carcinogenic, it's bad for the environment, bad for bees and butterflies and other important pollinating insects. So we want to try and avoid using DEET altogether. So I suggest getting some catnip and extracting the essential oils and making your own non-toxic mosquito repellent. So today I have all of my favorite herbs here that I like to make with the essential oils. I've got the catnip here, and I've got geraniums, which actually have citronella oil in them. So this is just like having a citronella plant. I also have lemongrass, anything with a citrus scent. I also have lemon verbena, mint, lavender, and rosemary. So you can really pick whichever plants you like the best of the smell, and that combination of plants is what's going to keep your mosquitoes away. So all you have to do is get the essential oil out of the leaves, and that's the scent that's going to repel the mosquitoes. So mosquitoes find you through your carbon dioxide. So as you're breathing, they can smell that, and so essentially these essential oils cover up the smell of your carbon dioxide, and that's what keeps them away. So all I did to pull out the essential oils, the easiest way to do it is to boil the leaves. So all I did was chop up all of my favorite herbs. I picked the leaves off, chopped them up, and boiled them in water for about an hour and a half. I didn't do a very big pot, so it went pretty fast. And what you get is this extract. It's a very condensed version of all these different oils. And then I'm gonna mix my extract with a little bit of witch hazel, which is an astringent, and a little bit of water, and that helps the oils and the water blend together, because as you know, oil and water don't normally mix. So I just saved this old spray bottle of old hand sanitizer, and I mixed my essential oil plant mix and a little astringent, the witch hazel, and a little water, and we're good to go. Smells so nice. So if you don't have these plants at home, you can just buy the essential oils and add them to your own mix. Or if you're a purist like me, you can harvest your own plants and pull out your own essential oils. So that was it for our latest episode. I'm looking forward to seeing you next week, and hopefully you don't have any new bug bites. All right, have a great weekend. Bye.